What's going on, guys? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. So I have a main channel, but what I'm going to be doing, a lot more getting started into 2024 is kind of diversifying over a plethora of channels, right? So instead of diluting my main channel with a million different videos in one day on technical analysis, on mindset, on strategies, on my own personal trades, I'm going to have separate channels that are going to kind of go over it. Now, one thing that I've gotten away from on the main channel is doing daily technical analysis on specific ticker symbols. So what this channel is going to be, this channel is going to be set up where it's going to give price levels, not only for the next day, but the macro level. Where do I see potential price going? And then from there, you can kind of dictate and decipher where you want to put and allocate your money and your risk. So we're going to start off by looking at the NQ Nasdaq 100 futures, going to give us a brief overview of where we came from, where we're currently sitting. So if we look at the daily chart here, you can see on October the 26th, we kind of put in these lows right here below the 200 EMA. We had 1 day, 2 days of consolidating sideways before we went on this absolute ripper magoo. So this ripper has taken us all the way from the bottom channel here down into 200 EMA, as well as that 200 SMA, all the way up here to this linear regression channel. Now, this linear regression channel is going to act and has acted as a level of resistance for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. You can see each and every single time we come into the 16,122 area, we kind of get rejected. Now, we do have NVIDIA earnings coming out today. Today is the 21st of November. That, for me, is going to kind of dictate where tech goes. If NVIDIA has a great reaction off those earnings and we kind of shoot higher, I would expect the NQ to kind of put in a high, even as high as like 16,400, guys. I mean, that's your upper Bollinger Band that would take us to the middle range of this channel before we see a pullback. Now, if we have a negative reaction and we gap down and we start to lose the short-term moving average sentiment, which is the 5-day moving average, you're going to have a short position below 15,900, and then you're going to have support sitting at 15,739. Anything below 15,739 could be the start of a bigger back test. That bigger back test can come all the way to this original breakout spot over the linear regression, all the way down to 15,300. So that's around 600 points worth of potential pullback that we could be looking at, and the bulls would still look and be strong. For me personally, I would like to see a type of pullback like this. I think we can make some money to the downside, kind of playing these intraday short levels, and then let us chop around for a little bit, right? Let us chop around for a little bit and then really start to push higher. Because if that's the move, then this next time coming through this linear regression here is going to have a clear shot to 17,000. We can start looking at some new fresh highs here going into 2024. So again, how is it going to play out? I don't know. But as long as we're prepared for both sides of the market, we can make do. So again, this channel here at Evolution Traders Daily Technicals, I'm going to be putting out videos on not only the indexes, but specific ticker symbols that I see and like for potential day trades or swing trades. Again, I want to get the best possible content so we're able to all make some money. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a full-time options as well as prop firm futures trader. So again, I've been doing this for 8.5 years. If this is the first time that you've come across any of my videos, welcome to the channel. My main channel is D Anthony Trades. That's going to have a plethora of things. I have over 2,000 videos on that channel. This channel will just be daily technicals and going over specific levels of support and resistance that we need to kind of look forward and look forward to. That way we can know whether we're looking to short or go long, where potentially we should be taking some losses. I know a lot of you guys like to start shorting or going long at specific key levels. The levels that I was giving my room at Evolution Traders was, this is the rule of thumb. If we're over the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, we're risk on, or we're a little bit more bullish. We're looking for those upsided moves. So look at the last time where we reclaimed the 50-day moving average. That was all the way down here at a price of 15,000. So not only are we up 900 points since then, we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13-day, 14-day run. So we've been on about a 3-week run ever since reclaiming this 50-day moving average with no back test. The last time we lost this 50-day moving average was here. We went from a price of around 15,100 all the way down to a price of 14,100. So almost the same amount of downturn that we had here on the upturn. So again, keep that in mind when you're trading. You're looking a little bit more bull biased when we're over the 50-day moving average. That's not to say that you can't short intraday, but again, just understand that when you're shorting and you're shorting into a level of support, that those supports tend to get bought up, versus if we were below the 50-day moving average, those shorts tend to get blown through and the longs tend to get trapped. So again, just kind of want to explain that. I hope you guys enjoy this new channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of content on here. I don't really know how many videos a day I want to do. I'm still going to test out the YouTube algorithm and kind of see. On my main channel, I know they really don't like me posting multiple videos a day, so I might try to limit it to like 1, 2, or 3 videos a day max on this channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell notification. And if you want to see some specific ticker symbols be highlighted on this channel, make sure you leave me a comment. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.